When teaching a course, it may be helpful to redefine the letter grades and even change how grades are displayed to students to give more flexibility in discussing and sharing student work and documenting it in Moodle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redefine letter grades and change course settings so as to facilitate sharing broader assignment feedback using letter grades. I've already set my course up to only display the changes we're going to configure. Cards will appear in the top right corner of this video with links to videos showing how to use those settings when they are mentioned and at the end of the video. To get started changing grade letters, open your course and select Grades. Select Grader Report to open the menu and select grade letters from the menu that appears. On the new page, select the Edit button and then select Override Site Defaults, and we can customize the values now. Now that we are in this editing interface, I'm going to make any numeric grade value higher than 85% have the label Amazing. 70 to 85% will be labeled Great, and 0 to 70% will be marked as Needs Improvement. It's important to note how the percentages work. Each grade letter runs from the number input into the box to the value directly above it. Check out the video in the top right corner now to learn how to set the student grade report to show letter grades instead of percentages or numeric values. If you experiment with this change and would like to revert the changes, click Edit Again on the grade letters page and uncheck the Override Site Defaults option at the top of the list. Once you select Save Changes at the bottom, it will recreate the default grade breakdown. One quirky behavior to be aware of if you incorporate this into your course is if you enable editing on your grader report page, it will show you, and any others with the ability to grade, the percentages. Disable edit mode in the top right and you will see the custom letter grade display instead. Hope this was helpful. Check out our other videos for more tech tidbits.